Parliament decides to do future, you can bring another petition, we can look at it then. Restrict yourself to your case. Please proceed.
I will say this in the end, my lord, that this clause 2 is beyond the powers of the Parliament. Three, and when I'm arguing, my lord, my associate will explain that 184.3 is not the only thing which is regulated by the Supreme Court rules. If your lordship would have the 1980 Supreme Court rules in front of you, there are the different types of jurisdiction which are available to you.
Shall we finish with the Act quickly?
Oh, okay, I'll finish with the Act, my lord. Exercise of original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Any matter invoking exercise of original jurisdiction under Clause 3 of Article 184 of the Constitution shall be first placed before the committee constituted